Get yourself over and go and get yourself some spices off the spice guys. We'll have some tonight and some venison burgers. And some fish tomorrow. We'll try the Korean barbecue tonight, aren't we, lad?
Yeah.
Also try Chinese, all that.
I'm eating really on venison, innit?
Yeah. And get over to Instagram, check them out, Spice Guys. Get your order in. Or discount codes, Caveman 15.
Doesn't chop my fingers off.
Homemade venison burgers.
Butchered.
Still fair on them. And it's not mould. Season's coming out now off the Spice Guys.
It's a bit of batter, innit?
Batter!
It's only peri, innit? Chicken.
Barbecue, isn't it?
What's
Brazilian barbecue there, look. On the end, that looks lovely, look.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's the one.
And then you got the cat. What's that one? Can't see that light.
Never heard of that one before. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
This one smells lovely. Hey, man.
Is it?
Oh, it smells like...
Oh my god.
That's the one.
Oh, we'll just do one burger and then make sure you.
I mean, you don't want to go too much with it.
Make sure you get over and check the Spice Guys out.
Let's get this on.
Put the lighter. Yeah, just use the discount code Caveman 15. Whoa.
Go ahead, light that again. It's gone off.
You've got to keep it in. Right.
This is what we're having, venison burgers from Scotland. Gonna have some nice onion, bams. Where's the cheese? Where's the cheese? There's the cheese. Where's the one we're gonna try? Oh, this is the one.
What is it? Brazilian barbecue.
Yeah, and it smells fit. You need to get over and try the Spice Guys. He's got all kinds of spices, different flavours. He's got loads in it. I mean, we've never tried any of these, but they smell gorgeous.
Get 15% off.
Yeah, off the Caveman 15.
Discount code Caveman 15.
We're just waiting for the pan to heat up now. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. That.
Get some on the barbie tomorrow, innit? Some fish.
Here's the first venison burger. I think, I mean, how would you add this stuff? Just
sprinkle it up. Yeah.
Give it a little sprinkle.
Yeah.
Just let it soak in as it's going. Ooh, it smells tasty already. Right. Probably meant to marinate it, innit? But it doesn't matter. As long as the flavours are still going to go in.
Them, aren't we? We've got loads left, haven't we?
Yeah, you've got loads. You get loads in a packet, look. Nice little compact packets. And you can seal them up as well.
Okay, for all your game, fish, meat.
I mean, these are going to be gorgeous, these.
Get a bit more spice on there.
Yeah, put a little bit more spice.
Bit more spice, guy!
Let's not get shy with the spice.
Discount Caveman 15. Get over and check them out on Instagram, all the social medias. Check the websites out.
We've just set our fire up as well. We'll have that lit in a minute.
The light on.
Is the light on?
Put your hand out.
Yeah, we've got our fire over there. What's this? We've got this peri peri stuff as well. Inside that. The mayo. You know, if you got like that marinated in them in the fridge.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's just soaking.
Just make them back into patties with it in it, inside it.
It's soaking.
Just make your own patties in it.
Absolutely quality fucking spice, guys.
Yeah. Good gear that, mate.
Lean.
You like yours, the bingo. Oh yeah.
Crisp, a little bit of crisp.